Hello guys, I just found this Telegram bot which is called Atm.day. The link is in the description box. So, but this bot, what it does is every day it suggests coins to you, like top coins that are currently trendy and they are performing. Yet I've been using this to trade for weeks now, and I can say for sure that it is 100% accurate. Yet what it does is to analyze coins, like they go to pub.fun, dexscreener, and they analyze coins, and the coins that have potential of doing very well, they kind of suggest those coins to you in your DM. You get, so all I need to do on a daily basis is to come over to this place. This is the most recent. What I need to do is to click on, I can either click on trade on bunk board to trade directly, or if I want to do research, I can simply tap on chat. It's going to open up in this screen now. Then I'm going to do my research. I want to do my research or look for entry, and from there I can simply trade the coin. So this is the coin that I suggest. Joby 2 hours ago, that was when it was created from pub.fun. It is about 10 on trending. You get, market cap is about 62k market cap, 60k market cap. This is why I like this particular coin is that it always suggests coins that have lower market cap. You get, these coins are 60k market cap. If the coin goes to 1 million market cap, that is more than 10 or 20 S. So as you can see, right, and this is a coin. As you can see, this is not rough. These are coins that were recently listed. Remember, when you create a coin from pub form, when it gets to 100k market cap, it gets graduated. And people who bought them will take profit. You can see the coin is currently pumping again. So these are actually good coins that you can easily trade. You get, you can easily buy. You get, that is coin. If I copy the contract address now, I go over my Telegram. Let's say I search for TTF boots. Let me use TTF boots to do it, to analyze the coin and see if the coin is actually good, because this particular boot actually suggests good coins that are really are good. You get, so as you can see, the coin Joby looks clean to me. Liquidity 100% lock. It's not meetable. The current market cap is about 61k market cap. Sometimes Uda only 45%. This is the only red flag about this particular coin. Sometimes Uda only 45%. But outside that, these coins that suggest are good. You can also see these are for the past 7 days. These are the coins, like for the past 24 hours. So these are the top coins that it has suggested, and they have all done very well. Martins, all-time high, like from when it suggests it, the market cap 184k to all-time high, which is about 980%. These are all the percentage that if you buy this coin, you would have gotten. So I'm using this particular coin, this particular boot, and I can tell you for far that it is actually very good. You get, see the next one that it suggests as stock market cap. Top test order 22%, over 222 orders. So I can simply go to chart or put them up in the screen. And if I want to do my own research, I can do it. The good thing I like about this bot is that it actually kind of cuts out the stress. Instead of me going to the screener or going to pub.fun looking for coins, checking if the liquidity is locked, checking if the dev all the get. It only suggests coins that has that has potential of doing well. You get, all you need to do is to look at the coins and try to see if you like what the coin is going to do, you can potentially buy it. You get, I know that all meme coins usually go to zero, you get, but if you like, it actually cuts like the stress of you doing what, of you doing your research. It actually is that stress. Yeah, with this boot, you don't have to bother about those particular stress yet. So if you check right now, this particular coin, where is it? Okay, Glow. Yeah, it was about, I wanted to check the time, 4:59. Today, that is when he suggested this particular coin you get at about 61k market cap. So I just want to compare it. The market cap is about 30k market cap, right? About 4:59 ago. So if you buy at this place, you take profit at 80k market cap. This is like more than 2x you get. So these are coins that people are still interested in. As you can see, the buys come in USD 408 USDT. So all you need to do is to just look for volumes. Like this particular boat actually kind of reduces the stress. That's what I like about AC Gate. So if you want pop to fun, or you can come to this, you can see the spot of pop to fun, like coins that is being released on pop to fun. It's been on pop to fun. You can see them on this place. If you want the one that's already graduated, you can see them on this place. This is also another one. You can see they have about three three algorithm or bots to get that tends to suggest coins, and they also suggest good coins. So from this, you have lots of coins to choose from. You get, and if you have bunk boat, I recommend you trade the coin on bunk boat. If, for example, you have traded the coin out, you like the coin, you want to buy into it, you can simply tap on trade on bunk boat. And with your bunk boat, you can simply just buy the coin if you want to buy the coin. Very easy, very fast. So the link to sign up for bunk boat will be in the description box. The link to sign up for this particular project will be on the description box. So you click the link, it's going to sign up. And also, they also have Pro. I'm currently using the Pro version. That is what I'm getting about it. The Pro version makes it very easy. This is their site. You get, I can click on login to log into my account. You get to see different coins. They be suggesting different coins to you. You get, so it costs about $230 to get the Pro, and every day you're getting coins. And if you trade those coins, you are going to make the amount like times two of the money you use in subscribing, because I've made over a lot of money from this for just using this for a few weeks. Just one coin that I've done more than 10 years, I've gotten my money back. You get, so guys, the link to sign up in the description box. If you have any question, don't ask me. And this platform is actually very, very, very good. I'm leaving the link to sign up in the description, but you have to click on the link, go to the Telegram bot. You just have to click on here, they click on launch, and you can probably click on log in for you to sign up. Yet click on login. It's going to connect this to your Telegram. Yeah, it's going to connect to your Telegram, and with that, once it's connected to your Telegram, you are good to go. It's going to give you the algorithm such as OG Ego, which discovers coins that are between 72 hours. Then Pump.fun Ego, which discover over 170 tokens before they migrate to Pump.fun. You get, and this last one, the last one, which is Launch Lab, discovers tokens from Radio Launch Lab platform, Block for get. So they are basically have TVAI. Let me just call it TVAI or algorithm. The first one discover coins that are between within the last 32 hours. The other one discover coins, good coins from Pub.fun for the migrate. And the last one discover coins from Radium, Launch Lab, and Buckfun. So this particular project, this what it does is to go through Pub.fun, go through dexscreener, Radium, and every other launch pad, and they do search based on volume, based on number of wallets, and based on how well the coin is, and they suggest the coin to your DM. All you need to do is to come check the coins out. If you like it, you simply buy to the coin. They also give um breakdown of the market cap, the holders, top 10 holders, and the wallet that I've bought is wallet that I've said. You can see they give you a whole lot of information. This coin is actually is a game changer. This is a game changer. So if you're interested, I recommend this for everyone to use the boat yet. Use the boat. Link with description box, very easy. And guys, if you are capable, you can buy the approved version. The pro version will give you more coins. There will be plenty of coins for you to trade on. No need for you to go to the desk and pop the phone with this. You can trade and make money off it. Great. So guys, this will be it for this video. Remember, the link to sign up in the description box. Also be in the comment section. And if you find it a video to like, subscribe to the bell icon. See my next video. Peace out.